Ingvar Kamprad was born in 1926, Småland, Sweden, a poor rural region where survival depended on street-saving habits. By age 5, he was already selling matches to neighbors. In 1943, at 17, he founded IKEA from his uncle's kitchen, starting with small items like pens and picture frames. In 1948, he shifted into furniture, focusing on affordable designs for everyday people. The major turning point came in 1956, when he introduced flat-pack furniture, allowing customers to assemble products themselves, drastically reducing production and transportation costs. This innovation helped IKEA expand globally, becoming the largest furniture retailer in the world, and made Kamprad one of the richest men of his time. Despite his wealth, he maintained an extremely frugal lifestyle, flying economy, reusing tea bags, and driving old cars. His philosophy was simple: waste of resources is a mortal sin. That mindset became the foundation of IKEA's global success.